Hello, that's Edie. This is Soso Kitchen. Thank you very much for everyone. Subscribe. If that's your first time, please thumb up, subscribe, and then share this one for me with people. Please, please, please. We are family in Soso Kitchen. Jeudi, nous allons faire ice cream. Qui ice cream nous allons faire? Nous allons faire warm raisin ice cream. Premièrement, ça nous besoin de crème, nous besoin d'essence, nous besoin de lait condensé. Any kind. Ça, c'est raisin, de mettre trempé overnight. N'importe quel de raisin. Mettez le trempé dans rum Barbancourt. Ou capable d'utiliser rum Barbancourt, ou capable d'utiliser white. Ça, c'est rum Barbancourt, de mettre raisin trempé là-dedans. Ok, overnight. Il y a des gens qui disent 3 jours, il y a des gens qui disent 4 jours. Ok, ça vous le faire. Mais mettez le trempé at least for 6 or 7 hours. Ok, nous allons commencer.
How much is that? Just a cup? Half a cup?
Quantité ouvre, ça dépend quantité ice cream on fait.
Okay.
Some people like a lot of raisins, some people don't.
No, I mean how much Barbancourt rum?
Mais you supposed to couvrir.
Enough to cover the raisins.
Une bille de crème là. Ou supposé ou capable use ça. Ou capable use ça. Ou capable use à la main tout. So rien on capable use. M'bavle pour nous comprendre et ça seulement nous capable use. Make sure that nous battons. Nous battons for 8 à 10 minutes. 8 to 10.
Teaspoon, and now you can see it's like getting whipped.
The ice cream very soft. Now that the raisin I'm going to put down. I'm not going to put the warm. You know, be careful. This ice cream warm raisin, il n'est pas tellement pour petit monde, il est pour grand monde parce que il y a un warm là-dedans.
So what she said is be careful with rum raisin ice cream because it has alcohol, so just be careful when it comes to children. So right now she added the raisins and she's just mixing it in using her hand spatula.
You want to taste it? Out now.
That's really good.
That's good. That's very good.
It is. You can add the rum.
If you want to, that's why I said if you want to. You want me to?
Yeah.
Yeah. Put the rum. Okay, I put the rum.
You gonna mix it again? No?
No, that's fine. That's the ice cream. The best bon bagay pour nous faire pour ice cream ça, ou capable mettre dans freezer overnight, ou faire dans soir. Et puis après ça, on mettez le frigidaire overnight. Mais moi-même, comme je fais le soir, je vais le quitter dans le frigidaire pour 3 heures de temps à 4 heures de temps. Ok?
She just said it's best to leave the ice cream overnight, but since she didn't make it at nighttime, she's just gonna leave it for 3 to 4 hours.
The ice cream.
How long to leave it in the freezer?
That's right. 3 to 4 hours. Avec plastique, ou capable de couvrir avec couverture, ou capable de couvrir tout avec papier aluminium. So. Okay?
Take your time.
I'm going to put this one in the freezer. Put the ice cream. Okay? Thank you. See you in 3 hours. That's the ice cream. Okay? Là, je viens de l'eau chaude. Là, moi, j'ai corn pour ice cream. Ça, moi, j'ai un petit cup. Je vais besoin de un peu d'ice cream. Ok? Ok. Voici par ice cream. Puis le raisin ice cream. That's very good. Oh, you can have this one. You can have it if you want this one, you can have this one. That's nice. Janet, you can have this one.
Thank you.
Let me have this one.
Cheers.
Yay.
Cheers.
Thank you.
Thanks, Mom.
Thank you.
Tastes like I went to the store.
Better. That's home. Ice cream.
Thank you for watching.
Thanks very much. See you, Soso Kitchen. Make sure you share this one for me. Please. Thank you.